What's up guys, today I'm going to go through this easy seamless transition technique. So after filming a short bike edit, I then got my camera on the gimbal and used the gimbal in lock mode. And then I got some crabbing shots of different objects around the location. One was this bush. I was trying to get as close to it as possible. So at some point through the shot, the lens was completely blocked by the bush. So then I was left with a shot that looks like this. And then the next step is to add a mask to this video clip to turn it into like a wipe transition. So I'm going to go to the middle point where the lens is completely blocked by the bush. I'm just going to add a marker, pressing M on my keyboard. And then I'm just going to trim this down to around 1 second long. And then I'm going to go over to my effects tab and choose the mask and the shape mask. And I'm just going to make it nice and square and turn the feather up to around 400 and then make the mask the same size as the screen. And then I'm going to go to the beginning of the shot, move the mask to one side of the video, go over to my transform parameters and just keyframe the position because I want to make the mask start on that side and then end on this side. So I'm going to go to the end of my video clip and just move the mask to the other side. So now it creates something that looks like this. So now that we have this like wipe video clip, what I can do is drag that over the top of my two video clips to create the transition. This is what it looks like without the transition. And now if we add the transition over the top of them, so this is what it looks like with the transition added over the top. And because the two shots have a lot of movement in them, I think it works a lot better with moving shots. And then you can always copy and paste this to use on different cuts. Because this shot is moving to the right, what I'm going to do is select this video clip, use the transform tool just to flip it horizontally so that it's going to move the other direction. So yeah, it's also cool that you can reuse it. Obviously it would be better with different types. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video.